The University of Jordan launches the Efficient Factory Operation Management (EFOM) Research Group, an interdisciplinary initiative dedicated to advancing industrial efficiency, innovation, and sustainability. The group explores how strategic objectives and emerging technologies can transform factory resources, production processes, and data-driven decision-making. Its research spans production planning and scheduling optimization, lean manufacturing and process excellence, supply chain resilience, workforce productivity, quality management, predictive analytics, and innovative manufacturing systems. Through advanced optimization, modeling, and digital technologies, EFOM seeks to improve productivity, reduce operational risks and waste, and develop smarter, more resilient manufacturing systems. Aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, particularly SDGs 8, 9, and 12, EFOM promotes responsible production, industrial innovation, and sustainable economic growth. We invite researchers, industry partners, and institutions to collaborate with us in developing innovative solutions and shaping the future of efficient and sustainable factory operations.